I'm gonna show you how to download songs or music using Google Chrome or any browser on your phone. If you find this video useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this process on an Android phone or an iPhone. So first, let's open our browser. Now, we're gonna visit a website called Pixabay. There are other websites where you can get music, but I will use Pixabay because it's copyright free. So let's search for Pixabay on Google. Remember, you can use a different website if you prefer. Tap on the option that is not sponsored. Now we are on pixabay.com. Scroll to the right in this section and tap where it says music. If we scroll down, we will see a list of songs available for download. You can listen to the music by tapping the play pause button on the left, and if you want to download it, just tap the download icon on the right. A message saying downloading file will appear, and that's it, it's downloaded. You can find it by tapping open and it will take you directly there. You can play it in Google Chrome or you can exit Chrome and look for it. I'm gonna open my Files app, then go to the Downloads folder, and here it is. I can tap it, open it, and listen to it. But if you're interested in learning how to download songs from YouTube, in this video I will show you how. And if you wanna download any song from any site, I have a video on my Patreon where I teach you how. Since the red platform, YouTube doesn't allow me to upload this type of content. And if you find my videos useful, consider becoming a paid member on Patreon and supporting my channel.